Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something incredibly exciting and beneficial for you. A one-day detox challenge that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and ready to conquer the world. Detoxing doesn't have to be a complicated and drawn-out process. In fact, in just 24 hours, you can give your body the reset it deserves. Now let's dive into the ultimate one-day detox challenge. First up, hydration is key. Start your day with a tall glass of warm lemon water. This will kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and give your digestive system a gentle wake-up call. Next, blend up a nutrient-packed green smoothie, packed with kale, spinach, banana, and a splash of coconut water. This powerhouse drink will flood your body with vitamins and minerals. Now let's incorporate some movement. A 15-minute yoga session is perfect for promoting blood circulation and helping your body release built-up tension. It's not just about detoxing the body, but also the mind. For lunch, indulge in a vibrant salad loaded with leafy greens, colorful veggies, and a light olive oil dressing. This will provide your body with essential nutrients and keep you feeling satisfied. As the day progresses, swap out your regular cup of coffee for a calming herbal tea. It's a great way to stay hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification process. Now, it's time to pamper yourself a bit. Run a warm bath and add some Epsom salts. This will help relax your muscles and draw out toxins through your skin. And there you have it, your ultimate one-day detox challenge. Remember, this is about nourishing your body, inside and out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share it with your friends who could use a detox day.